Look at yourself right now. You're sitting on the most valuable thing on earth, and you're wasting it. Not money, not talent, time. And unlike everything else, you cannot earn it back. Here's what your life looks like right now. Weekends gone by noon. 4 hours minimum feeding your eyes to a screen. Watching strangers build empires while you tell yourself you'll start next year. When you're older, when things slow down, when you're ready. But ready never comes, and deep down you already know that. That guilt you feel at the end of every empty day. That's not weakness. That's your future self sending you a warning. Nobody in your life is going to say this to your face. So why will your teenage years are not a warm-up? They are the game, and right now you're sitting on the bench by choice. Here are 5 truths that will change how you see everything. Execute even when your life shifts. Execute all 5, you become someone different entirely. 1. Your phone is not your friend. It is engineered to own your attention. Every scroll, every notification, every autoplay video is a calculated system designed to keep you consuming and never creating. Check your screen time today. If it crosses 4 hours, that's not entertainment. That's addiction. Delete 2 apps this week. Replace 1 hour of scrolling with 1 hour of building something. Anything. The war for your future is being fought inside that screen. Start winning it. 2. Comfort is the enemy wearing a friendly face. Every time you choose easy, you vote for a smaller life. Discomfort is not the obstacle. Discomfort is the training. Do one hard thing daily, a workout, a difficult conversation, focused study with no distractions. 7 straight days of choosing hard over easy will rewire how you handle pressure. Most people never do this. That's exactly why most people stay average. 3. Your circle sets your ceiling. You will become the average of who you spend your time with. Not motivation, not willpower. Environment. Look at your 5 closest people right now. What are they building? If the answer is nothing, that is your warning. You don't need to abandon anyone, but stop taking direction from people with no destination. 4 skills you build today compound. Skills you delay cost double later. Your brain's ability to learn is at its absolute peak right now. This is biology, not opinion. Pick one skill, 1 hour a day, 90 days straight. Coding, sales, fitness, a craft, anything real. Most people jump between 10 things and master nothing. Go deep, build proof before you turn 20. 5. Motivation is a myth. Identity is the answer. You keep waiting to feel ready. That feeling is never coming. What works is deciding who you are, then acting from that decision. Write 3 sentences. I am someone who does not quit. I am someone who shows up. I am someone who builds. Read them before you touch your phone every morning. Every choice after that becomes simple. Does this match who I am or doesn't it? Here's the hard part. Watching this changes nothing. Executing this changes everything. Most people your age will coast straight into a life they didn't choose and wonder how it happened. You now know exactly what to do. The only question left is whether you're actually going to do it. Comment "I'm building not for me" as a promise to yourself. And subscribe, because this is where the work gets done.